Hi everyone! Today, let's draw and color Hello Kitty and friends wearing a underground miner costume. Let's begin by drawing Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is the cutest miner ever, digging for treasures with her friends. What treasure do you think she'll find? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Then, let's draw Badtz-Maru. Badtz-Maru looks so cool as an underground miner with his helmet and pickaxe. Do you think he finds lots of shiny rocks? I like to draw and color. Please try drawing with me. Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. And I'm drawing Kerropi. Kerropi is a brave little miner frog, hopping around and exploring caves. Can you imagine him jumping over big rocks? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Each one of them looks wonderful. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.